Conditional statement if. Of course, these two lines we already know. This line shows us a message on the console window. Would you like to calculate the area of a rectangle? Y for yes and for no. And console read line will wait for our answer and will take the data that the user typed in and will store it in the variable called answer. This is a new statement if. If means let us choose whether we want to execute some code or not. And these two round brackets, this is the condition that we will check before, and then we'll decide if to go into this scope and to execute the code inside. This is the condition, and in order to go inside the scope and to execute the code inside, the result of this condition must be true. Only then, when the result of this condition will be true, then we will go inside and we will execute the code inside this scope. So if we'll type in, after this message, we will type in y, and the console read line will take this y and will put it inside this variable. Then the condition will be checked. Is answer equals y? And of course the result is true. And then we will go inside this curly brackets in this scope of the if, and this code will be executed. But if we will type in after this message, we'll type in n or anything else, actually, the console read line will take the value that we typed in, n or anything else but y, n, x, y, z, anything, not y, n, x, z, well, not y. If it will be here x or n, then the result of this statement answer equals y will be false, because we typed x, for example, or n, as here. So then the result of this statement answer equal y will be false. Then we will skip this scope. Let's see. Right click, debug, start new instance. Would you like to calculate the area of a rectangle? Yes equals y for yes and for no. Let's type in y. It still waits for us to press enter. Console read line waits for the enter. Let's press enter. The area of a rectangle is 200. No, okay, of course we assign it a value by the code. So int height equals 10, width equals 20, the area height times width equals to 200. Let's this time try it with n or something else. Let's see. Right click, debug, start new instance. Would you like to calculate? No. Or something else. Let's see, x. Enter. Wait 1 second. Enter. And nothing happened, because we have skipped this code, and now we are waiting here in the console read line.